In the chaos of this world, you are the rock on which I stand. Through the darkness and the cold, you guide me with a steady hand.